Hi geographers, and welcome to lesson 1 of water scarcity. This lesson we're going to be doing water scarcity and causes of water scarcity. This lesson is located under the water scarcity tab using the Water in the World website resource. So your success criteria for this lesson: by the end of this lesson you need to know the causes of water scarcity, and by the end of this lesson you need to be able to explain where water is more and less prominent and why, particularly that reason of why. So water scarcity notes. Let's have a look at what water scarcity is. So water scarcity is the lack of enough available water to meet the demand of the amount of water being used in a given region. So where you are using more water than you're being given, you're going to experience water scarcity. So these are the reasons that cause water scarcity. So reason number 1 is latitude. So how far north or south of the equator you are. So this determines rainfall and heat, which leads to evaporation. Reason number 2 is altitude, how high above the sea you are. So it determines where life and rainfall can exist, because the further up you go, the colder it gets, and the drier it gets, the less oxygen is there. So it determines where life and rainfall can exist. Reason number 3 is ocean currents. Ocean currents can determine and influence rainfall by the amount of nutrients they move and the temperatures of those ocean currents as well. Reason number 4 is distance from the sea. We have this issue particularly in Australia. So inland regions receive less rainfall because they are further away from the ocean. Reason number 5 is population. So overpopulation, having too many people, causes more water to be used than what can be supplied. And then reason number 6 is topography, the shape of the land. So the shape of the land determines where water travels once it rains. So these reasons all combine and can cause long periods of drought and water scarcity. So task 1 is just to watch this TED Ed video of water scarcity in India. And so watch the video and then record 7 important facts as you watch. Task number 2, this is a cram. So what you're going to do is watch this video and answer these questions while you're watching. We can do the answers after watching the video as well. So while watching the video, see if you can answer these questions in your book. So these are the questions you're looking out for. What is the national water account for? What weather condition made Australia dry? What was the Murray-Darling Basin water level in 2012? And then what was it in 2016? What did we use most of our water on? And how did Perth get 20% of their water? So watching this video and answering these questions. Task 3 is another TED Ed video, but this time water in Qatar. So write down 3 things you learned from this video under a heading called Water in Qatar. This is where Qatar is. It's a little country in the Middle East, very big on oil, but then they've used the economic value of their oil to then balance out the effect of their water scarcity crisis. So they're being able to find solutions to their water problems by using the economic advantage of their oil. Then after these tasks, what we're going to do, you're going to mind map how did Qatar overcome its water scarcity problems. So we're going to mind map that together. If you're learning at home, you're going to have to mind map this one yourself using the reasons from this video. So thinking, how did Qatar overcome its water scarcity problem? And then if you click on this picture here, you'll be able to play a Kahoot with your class as well. And that finishes off our lesson 1 on water scarcity. So thanks for watching, guys, and remember, if you want to stay updated to any new websites that are made or any other new lessons that are made in existing websites like this one, please make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Thank you.